Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is about how you can easily create splash screen the way that Google does it. So if you take a look at Google Maps, you can see here the splash screen before the actual content of the app shows up. So to start, go to Google here and Google Android Startup Time. Okay, click on the first link and then go to themed launch screens. Alright. So basically they're saying that you will need to create a drawable resource file, then reference it in a new style, and then before your actual main activity starts, set the theme back to the original theme. Alright, so let's go through this together. First of all, you will need to import your logo. To do this, before you can do this, you will need to install, go to File, Settings, Plugins. You need to install Android Drawable Importer plugin. So please install this and then restart your IDE and then proceed. Alright, so to import our logo, we will go to Res, right click, New, and then after you install your plugin, you will see Batch Drawable Import. Click it, then click the plus button, navigate to your logo, click OK, OK, and then you can see here all the resolutions to fit like multiple screen resolutions, and click OK, OK, and you'll see here the logo image now in different resolutions. Alright, so second, we will need to copy this and go over here, drawable, new, drawable resource file, and then just call it like splash, let's say background. Okay, and then replace this, and then you'll need the source of the drawable that we imported, which is logo. Alright, so you see here, and then we go to our styles in values and then copy this theme, say launch application theme, let's say dot launcher. You can name it any name, and then of course in the splash screen we don't want an action bar, so we say no action bar, and we don't want these. Alright, so what we want here is item and then Android window background, and we will reference our drawable that we created, which is splash background. Alright, one other thing is to go to our manifests and then choose this theme, Android, let's say Android theme, and we will select this new theme that we created. And then the final thing is before in your main activity, before super.onCreate, just as noted here, you will set the theme to the original theme that you will use in your app. Let's say set theme, oops, r.style dot app theme. Alright, so we're done, and now just launch your app. As you can see here, the splash screen showed up. Look again. This really helps reduce your app launch time delay. So I hope you learned something new. If you liked this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for new tutorials. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next one. Bye.